Anna was a curious and adventurous girl who lived in a small village. She loved exploring the forest near her home. Every weekend, she would put on her sturdy boots, pack some snacks, and head out into the woods. Her mother always reminded her to be careful and stay on the paths, but Anna loved discovering new places. One sunny Saturday morning, Anna decided to explore a part of the forest she had never been to before. She walked for a long time, enjoying the songs of the birds and the rustling of the leaves. As she went deeper into the forest, she found a narrow, winding path that led her to a large, old tree. This tree was different from any other tree she had seen. It was enormous, with thick, twisting branches that reached high into the sky. The bark was rough, and the roots were large and tangled. Anna felt a strange feeling that this tree was special. She walked closer to the tree and placed her hand on its trunk. Suddenly, she heard a soft, gentle voice. "Hello, Anna." Anna jumped back, her heart pounding. "Who said that?" she asked, looking around. "It's me, the tree," the voice replied calmly. "I am a talking tree. My name is Oaken." Anna's eyes widened in surprise. "A talking tree? I have never heard of such a thing." Oaken chuckled. "There are many things in this forest that people do not know about. I have been here for hundreds of years, watching over the forest and its creatures." Anna was fascinated. "Can you tell me about the forest? I want to learn everything." Oaken smiled. "Of course, Anna. Sit down and listen. I will tell you many stories." Anna sat on a soft patch of grass at the base of the tree, leaning against Oaken's trunk. The tree began to tell her stories of the forest. He spoke of the ancient times when the forest was young, and magical creatures roamed freely. He told her about the wise old owl who knew all the secrets of the woods, the playful squirrels who loved to hide acorns, and the beautiful deer who danced in the moonlight. As the hours passed, Anna learned about the importance of each creature in the forest. She discovered how the bees helped the flowers grow by spreading pollen, how the worms made the soil rich and fertile, and how the birds carried seeds to new places, helping new trees to grow. Anna was amazed by the harmony and balance of the forest. She realized that every creature, no matter how small, played a vital role in keeping the forest alive and healthy. Oaken also taught Anna about the changing seasons. He explained how the trees shed their leaves in autumn to prepare for the cold winter, and how they grew new leaves in spring to soak up the warm sunlight. Anna learned how to recognize the different sounds of the forest, from the gentle rustling of leaves to the chirping of crickets at night. Anna listened with wide eyes and an open heart. She felt a deep connection to the forest and a new respect for its wonders. She promised Oaken that she would always take care of the forest and teach others to do the same. As the sun began to set, Anna knew it was time to go home. She thanked Oaken for the stories and the wisdom he had shared. Oaken's voice was warm and kind. "Remember, Anna, the forest is always here for you. Come back anytime you wish to learn more." Anna hugged the tree and made her way back to the village. She couldn't wait to tell her mother and friends about the amazing talking tree and the magical stories she had heard. From that day on, Anna visited Oaken every weekend. She continued to learn and explore, always discovering new wonders in the forest. She became a protector of the woods, sharing her knowledge and love for nature with everyone in her village. The forest thrived, and the bond between Anna and Oaken grew stronger with each passing day. Through her adventures, Anna learned that nature was a precious gift, full of beauty and mystery. And she knew that as long as she had Oaken and the forest, she would always have a place of wonder and magic in her life.